Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to book flight ticket online using the Emirates app. So here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to download and install the Emirates app on your iOS. So the Emirates app is available on the iOS, on the Android, and also it is available on the Play Store for the Android. You can simply install it on the Play Store, and for iOS you can use App Store, and that's how you can simply get the Emirates app installed on your device. After that, open the app and sign in, then launch the Emirates app on your device, then sign in with your Emirates Skidward account or create a new account if you don't have one. Then search for flight. After that, tap on the book tab at the bottom of the screen, then enter the departure city, the destination, travel date, and your number of passengers. Then tap the search button to view available flight, then select the flight. So once you select the flight, browse through the search result and select the flight that best suits your need. Then you can view details such as the flight duration, the layover, the ticket price. After that, you can choose your seat. After selecting your flight, you can also choose your seat. You may have options for seat selection based on your ticket class and availability for your ticket seat. After that, you can add extra. So you can add extra such as extra luggage, seat upgrade, and or special meal request. Then after that, these options are usually available during the booking process, and enter your passenger details. So fill in your required passenger information, including the names, your passport details, and contact information, just for you to be able to enter your passenger details. And after that, proceed to make a payment. Choose the preferred payment method, which is the credit card or debit card. You can even use PayPal or use the Skidward mails for that. Then after that, after your payment details and complete the transaction, you will receive a confirmation. Once your payment is successful, you will receive a booking confirmation email with your flight details and e-ticket. Then manage your booking. You can manage your booking through the Emirates apps by just checking online, view your boarding pass, and make your changes to your reservations if needed. Then here's a quick review about this Emirates app. Emirates app makes booking flights convenient and efficient with features like seat selection, extra luggage, extra baggage options, and meal preference. You can customize your travel experience, and the app also allow you to manage your booking, checking in online, and access your boarding passing, and make your journey more sweeter. And that's it. That's a simple guide on how to book ticket online using the Emirates app. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more. Thank you.